Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will be explaining you the help center for your partner's account and how you can set up your help center, and that will be visible to your customers in their account. So let's get started. Simply log into your partner's account. Once you are logged in, please click on this help center, and once you click on this you will get multiple options like homepage setup, setup wizard, help doc, update, social media. So I will cover the homepage setup in this video, and remaining we will discuss later. So to add the homepage setup, how to configure the homepage setup, simply you will get this option of add collections. You need to click on this. It will ask you to put a title. So let's say I'm putting a title as intro, and you can also put the description of your collection. I will again put intro for. Alright, you can see intro. I have added the description now. Now it is asking me to upload a icon, like collection icon. So I will upload that icon. For example, I'm uploading this BotPenguin icon for now, and there is an option if I want to show the cover image or not. I will check mark this and I will simply click on add collection. Now you can see a red dot is coming because this collection is not published yet. So I will simply click on this first, add an item. So like I'm adding here intro item link. I will paste the link here, and again it is asking me to put an icon. You can put any icon as per your need. So once I do that, I will simply click on add item. Now what I have to do, I will simply go back. Over in the action tab, I will get this option of check mark like publish icon. I will simply click on this, yes, publish. Now this thing that we have added now here, it will be shown in the customer account. Let's check the results now. I will open any of the demo account for now. So as I open this demo account, on the right hand side you can see with the intro, description and the logo, it is coming. Now if I click on this intro icon, it will redirect me to the URL that I have entered. So this is how you will set up an home icon. You can add multiple links here as per your need. That's all what we have on this video. In case if you have any doubt regarding the same, please reach us out at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.